perfect world, a tap would always be within reach when watering the garden. But life is not perfect, and that's okay, because Gardena is here to help. Introducing the Gardena AquaRoll hose trolley, available in small, medium and large. When your hose needs to travel with you, either around the bend or far and wide, the AquaRoll will keep it firmly in place and then store it neatly away once the job is done. Built with stability and space saving in mind, the award-winning AquaRoll is packed with great features that make watering a walk in the park. The angled hose connector prevents the hose from bending, which guarantees maximum water flow. Its stable base and smooth foldable crank mechanism work together to make winding and unwinding effortless. The telescopic handle can be adjusted down for space-saving storage. And, available on the medium and large models, is its greatest feature, the kick and stand, designed for perfect stability when out and space-saving when in. With its 100-metre capacity, the AquaRoll Large is perfect for reaching far-off corners of the garden, and its clever hose guide ensures that the hose is evenly wound up while keeping your hands clean and dry. The Gardena AquaRolls are all designed and made in Germany and are covered by the Gardena 5-year warranty. So, to recap, it has been designed with utmost stability and space saving in mind, is available in 3 sizes to suit any garden, comes with a 5-year warranty. Gardena, passion for life.